Hello everyone, I welcome you all in our another DS session where we will be solving a new DSA problem in C++. If you haven't checked our playlist, the playlist is ready. I will be uploading all the DSA questions here so you can check out. So let's start our today's DSA session by saying Har Har Mahadev. So our today's problem is Leetcode 9, which is palindrome number. What do you mean by palindrome number? Palindrome number is a number that remains the same when its order is reversed. That means when you reverse a order of some digit, variable, or character, it will remain the same, which is called as palindrome number. If you want to check real-time example, you know that 1 1, which means 11. If we reverse its order, it remains the same, which is still 1 1. If we take 11 square, which is 1 2 1. If we reverse its order, it remains the same, which is 1 2 1. If we take 11 cube, it is 1 3 3 1. It remains the same when we reverse it, which is 1 3 3 1. If we take 11 raised to power 4, it will be 1 4 6 4 1. If we still reverse its order, it will be same. Here, if we call a girl, we say madam. If we reverse madam word, which is character, it remains the same, which is madam. If we want to level something, or if we want to check a level of something, we use the word level. If we use this word level and reverse it, it will be remaining the same, which is level. You can level anything. I am not talking about water only. Here, let's check out example. So you will be getting it more clear. Here in input, it is given an x element, which is 1 to 1. Here, I have already explained that if you reverse 11 raised to power 2, which is 1 to 1, it will be same, which is 1 to 1. Therefore, we have written a value which is true. But in example 2, here our x value is minus 1 to 1. Here, if we reverse this, it will be 1 to 1, then it will be a minus sign, which is not same. Therefore, we have written a value at output which is false. In our example 2, our x element is given as 1 0 10. If we reverse its order, it will be 0 1, which is very completely different and it is not similar to our x element. So we have written our value as output value as false. That means you are given an input value and you have to reverse it, and it should be equal to our input value, which is x. If it is equal to our input value x, then we will be returning true. Otherwise, else we will be returning false. So let's write a code so you will be getting it more clear. First, we will be initializing two variables, which are reverse and temp. Temp will be our temporary variable, which will be our x. So let's write we have initialized our reverse equal to 0 because initially we have no reverse element present. We will be returning a reverse integer, which will be our palindrome, and our temp variable is x. So now we will be writing a if statement. If our x element is negative, we have already checked it in our second example, where when it was minus 1 to 1, we have returned our output as false because when we reverse it, it becomes 1 to 1, and then it is minus. So let's write now we'll be writing a while loop for our temp variable to become 0 for which we'll be having some iteration in case. That means in our while loop we'll be writing some conditions for which our while loop for our x element will work. So let's write it. Here we will be dividing our temporary variable by temp, and we will get a new remainder, and that remainder will be adding it in our reverse by multiplying our reverse element by 10. So let's write it. Here we have added our remainder in our reverse element by multiplying our reverse element by 10. Now iteration to move to our next digit will be dividing our temporary variable by 10. So temp equal to temp divided by 10. So it will be moving our temporary variable to next position, and we will be simply returning our value which is reverse. So let's write return reverse when it is equal to our x element. So we have written our code. Let's check it is working or not. Yes, our code is accepted for all the three cases. We will be submitting it.